Shikhar Dhawan has announced his retirement from the domestic and international cricket on Saturday. The left-handed batter took to social media to post an emotional message for fans where he announced his decision to retire from all forms of cricket. So this is a decision that has been taken by Shikhar Dhawan. Remember, he last played for the Indian cricket team way back in 2022. Listen in to what he had to say.
नमस्कार सभी को। आज एक ऐसे मोड़ पर खड़ा हूं जहां से पीछे देखने पर सिर्फ यादें ही नजर आती हैं और आगे देखने पर एक पूरी दुनिया। मेरी हमेशा से एक की मंजिल थी इंडिया के लिए खेलना, और वो हुआ भी, जिसके लिए मैं कई लोगों का शुक्रगुजार हूं। सबसे पहले मेरी फैमिली, मेरे बचपन के कोच तारिक सिन्हा जी, मदन शर्मा जी, जिनके अंडर मैंने क्रिकेट सीखी, फिर मेरी टीम जिसके साथ साथ मैं सालों खेला। मुझे एक परिवार और मिला, नाम मिला, आप सबका प्यार मिला। पर कहते हैं ना, कहानी में आगे बढ़ने के लिए पन्ने पलटना जरूरी है, तो बस मैं भी ऐसे ही करने जा रहा हूं। आई एम अनाउंसिंग माई रिटायरमेंट फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल एंड डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट। और अब जब मैं अपनी क्रिकेट जर्नी को अलविदा कह रहा हूं, तो मेरे दिल में एक सुकून है कि मैं अपने देश के लिए बहुत खेला, और मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूं BCCI DDCA का, जिन्होंने मुझे मौका दिया, और मेरे सारे फैंस का, जिन्होंने मुझे इतना प्यार दिया। और मैं बस खुद से यही कहता हूं कि भाई, तू इस बात से दुखी मत हो कि तू अपने देश के लिए फिर नहीं खेलेगा, पर इस बात की खुशी अपने पास रख कि तू अपने देश के लिए खेला, और ये मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी बात है, मैं खेला।
Well, my colleague Karishma joins us live on the broadcast with more details. Karishma, we all heard the emotional message that was given by Shikhar Dhawan as he announces his retirement from the domestic and international cricket.
Well, yes, absolutely. And remember, 2022 December was the last time that Shikhar Dhawan played for India. Since then, he hasn't really been playing for the Indian team. So it was on the expected lines that he would announce his retirement. We just didn't know when. But today, in the morning, 7:32 a.m. to be precise, Shikhar Dhawan posted this message on his social media handles, where he spoke about how he is happy that he's got so many chances to play for the Indian team, rather than being sad about the fact that he won't be playing for India anymore. Remember, he's been a prolific batsman for Team India, especially if you talk about the time between 2013 to 2019, when everyone would be talking about Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. Shikhar Dhawan would also be a very, very important cog in the wheel. You know, he's got 17 centuries in the shorter format. He's got 7 centuries in the test format. He's been called Mr. ICC as well. He's the leading, run scorer for India in the 2015 World Cup. So he's got a lot of accolades. He's got a lot of records to his name. But today he has decided to announce his retirement. Remember, it was after Shubman Gill's entry into the Indian team that it became difficult for Shikhar Dhawan to find a space for himself in the team. And now today, at 38 years of age, he has decided to call it quits. He has decided to hang up his boots in international and in domestic format.
So Shikhar Dhawan has announced his retirement from both international and domestic cricket. Thanking Karishma for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Heading into a short break, you're watching Times Now. We'll be back with more updates on this.